For today's video, Baboy will gonna help me to cook ampalaya. Do you want to eat ampalaya? Huh? Do you want to eat ampalaya? You want to help Mama cook ampalaya? Wow! You want to try ampalaya? Bawal ba sa kanila yung ampalaya? You want to try? Mamaya, hindi pa siya luto. I'm not sure if bawal sa baboy ang ampalaya. So, Baboy will gonna help Mama to cook ampalaya! Yay! Amoy mo, amoy mo. Ooh! Gusto niya nang kainin. Yan, that's today, ma'am. Well, anong sahog ng baboy sa ampalaya? Wow, we gonna toast the baboy. Small baboy lang. We bought it in palengke. You want to eat the baboy na? No, it's not yet cooked. Mama don't give baboy raw meat. Ayaw Mama bigay baboy ng raw meat. Baka magkaroon ng ganun loob ng tiyan ng baboy ng Mama, no? Okay? Mama will cook muna, no? That's for today video. Naba will gonna help Mama cook ampalaya. Yay! Ang galing naman yan. So don't forget to watch Baboy, Please subscribe, like, share, follow, and subscribe. Sabihin mo, dali. Dali. Nakakita ng aw-aw na marunong magluto. Mamaya, Mama will gonna video, Baboy will make halo. You want? Baka ikaw maging sahog ng ampalaya natin, no? Opo. I love you. Oh, love you. O, tama na. Huwag mo paliguan, Mama, ng laway. Mamaya pa, Mama, liligo. Okay? O, babay ka na sa kanila. Mama will make, muna to, finish to cut, oh. O, you want to cut? O. Want to cut. Galing talaga ng baboy. Mama, kita, Mama, doon.